The GobiDex 100-piece magnetic blocks set is designed to provide a safe and engaging play experience with its innovative magnetic design, allowing easy assembly and disassembly for young children. These blocks offer a rich and creative adventure storyline that encourages children to use their imagination and storytelling skills by building various scenes. The set includes a vibrant collection of blocks featuring interesting patterns and colors, providing endless possibilities for building and enhancing spatial and problem-solving skills. This magnetic set promotes educational and interactive fun, fostering social interaction and teamwork, making it an excellent choice for both parent-child bonding and cooperative play among children. The GobiDex building block set is an ideal gift choice for birthdays, holidays, and special occasions, combining fun and educational value to delight children aged 4 to 8. Overall, the GobiDex magnetic blocks set offers a perfect blend of creativity, education, and entertainment, making it a favorite among children and a smart choice for parents.